The Moreno Valley Public Library presents Wild About Nature. Join Chelsea Martin from Loma University's Research on the Road team to learn all about local snake species at our Wild About Nature virtual program series. Discover the ecology and behavior of local rattlesnakes and other snake species, learn how to stay safe when exploring nature, and find out why snakes are so important to the ecosystem and how you can help to protect them. This week, we'll be kicking off this fun series about snakes with a video all about the City Nature Challenge. The City Nature Challenge has two parts: going out into nature and documenting wild plants and animals, and identifying what was found. This year, the challenge takes place from April 30th to May 9th. In this video, you'll learn all about how you can participate in the challenge and help discover all that nature has to offer.
Do you enjoy spending time outside exploring and observing nature? Would you like to become a community scientist? Then join the Inland Empire in the City Nature Challenge as we compete with cities across the world to have the greatest number and most diverse observations of wildlife from our community. The collected data is then uploaded into an international database of wildlife that will be used by scientists and naturalists to help understand nature in our cities. This event takes place from April 30th to May 3rd, and you only need a phone or camera to participate. To begin, you first need to download the iNaturalist app onto your phone and create a user account. No smartphone? No problem! You can also add your photos directly to the iNaturalist website. Observations can be added by opening up the app and clicking on Observation. You can use pictures you have already taken or add a new photo using the camera option in the app. If you would like to add multiple photos to the observation, click the plus and add photos from the camera roll or by taking an additional picture. The more pictures you can get, the better chance of getting a proper identification and even earning the badge Research Grade on your submission. Next, click on What Did You See? The app will offer its best identification of the organism in the photo, and it is helpful to pick the best selection. Work with the app and give your best guess at identifying the organism. The great thing about iNaturalist is the community involvement. Your fellow naturalists are there to follow up and confirm or better identify your organism. If you are concerned about people seeing the location that your photo was taken, you can click on Geoprivacy and change it to Obscured. If you do so, the location will still show up on the map, but its true location will be obscured. Want to become an expert user of the app? Here are some do's and don'ts of picture taking. Do: take pictures of wild plants, animals, and fungi. Don't take pictures of cultivated plants or domesticated animals. This is not helpful to researchers. Do: make an attempt at identification of the organism in your picture. Do try to take focused and clear pictures that are zoomed in on the organism if possible. Don't make multiple submissions of the same animal. Do indicate what you are taking a picture of if there are multiple organisms in the image. Do go outside and have fun. Scientists will be using the data that you collected to study a variety of things, including identifying the spread of invasive species and looking for the arrival of new invasive species, estimating biodiversity, finding populations of rare organisms, and tracking seasonal migrations. The City Nature Challenge isn't the only time that you can use the app. Your help is valuable for all sorts of projects, be it helping hikers find cool local species or even contributing to published scientific research. Every time you add an entry, you help build the database. You can even browse specific projects that you would like to join. Hopefully you decide to get outside and join us the weekend of April 30th to May 3rd. Go on a hike, spend some time at your local park, or just take a step out your door and make some observations while you spend time with nature.